Hi, welcome along to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom. Today we're talking barbecue kit, all the accessories that you're going to need to make your barbecuing life easier. This is mainly going to be based around Kamado cooking. First thing we need to talk about is charcoal. The charcoal that I normally use is from the Ever Burning Charcoal Company. It's currently out of stock everywhere. I can't find it anywhere, not on eBay, not on Amazon. So if I can't get hold of that, I normally just use a good quality lumpwood restaurant grade charcoal. Make sure you check all your reviews before buying. Read through it, make sure you know what you are buying. You want a nice decent grade, you want nice big chunks of charcoal, nothing too small, and you want to completely stick away from briquettes. You do not want to put briquettes in a Kamado cooker. All that dust is just going to gum up your airflow and you're not going to get any heat. These are wax woodies, so these are little wooden fibres that are covered with wax. So you light this and it gives you a longish burn in order to light your charcoal. You can put these directly into the bottom of your Kamado, put all your unlit charcoal in, put a couple of these in, light them, and your charcoal will light like that. The other thing you can do is you can use like a heat gun or a loft lighter. I tend not to do it. I have done it. I've got a video that I've done it with before. I'll put a link up in the top corner if you want to check that out. So the next thing you want is some thermal insulated gloves, especially when you're picking up a charcoal lighter or moving your grill grates around, or even picking up your meat yourself. You can put nitrile gloves over the top of these and pick up what you're cooking and move it off to save using tongs or a spatula. These are a must and make life so much easier for when you're cooking on a barbecue. So next up is still smoking deflector plates. So you get yourself a half moon. This is ideal because it gives you area for an indirect cook, and then over this side would be a direct cook. And then you've also got a full size one, so this is the same size as your ceramic deflector that you will get as standard when your Kamado is delivered to you. The advantage to this is if you drop it, you only break your toes, you don't break the ceramic disc itself. And then also in that set is you get a pizza steel, and these are ideal for doing things like smash burgers and searing steaks and things like that as well. I've got a smash burger video coming out quite soon, so keep your eye out for that. So the next thing you want to think about is drip pans. They're ideal for covering up your ceramic deflector if you decide to stay with that. Keeps it clean. All your fat and your meat juices are going to drip out into there, and then it's ideal for you to be able to use them into your cook later on if you want to make up a gravy or add it to a barbecue sauce. Other things that you need to consider are the fact that it doesn't come with any utensils, so I would suggest getting yourself some long handled tongs and a long handled spatula. If you're into doing smash burgers, see if you can find yourself a spatula that doesn't have any holes in it so that you can use that for smashing down your patties. Lastly, we're going to talk about thermometers. So I've got the Inkbird IBT 4XS. This has already got 10% off of it on Amazon, and I'm going to put a code up on the screen right now for an extra 10% off of this particular thermometer. I've got a review out for this thermometer already. I'll stick an iCard up in the top corner and I'll stick a link below so that you can check that out. A quick description of it. It's 4 probes, so you've got one that can check the ambient temperature inside your barbecue, and then you've got another 3 probes that you can put into your meat so that you can monitor the temperatures. And the other thing is the Inkbird Instant Read thermometer. Now, these are brilliant. I've got one single pin. As soon as you pull it out, they come on. If I pinch that, you should be able to see the temperature automatically rising. These are ideal for your smaller cooks, things like burgers and sausages, just to probe in, just to make sure they're cooked, because you don't want to give anybody food poisoning. So I hope you found this video of some use. As I say, I'll stick all the links in the description below, make life a bit easier for you. Thank you very much for watching.